Welcome to a prototype how to use your BoxHouse audio and video tutorial for a consumer. As we all know, box houses are very unique and different from where most people have lived before, and so it would be useful to have some instruction on how to use some of the unique features in here so that people don't get irritated. Also, we can use different voice, we can use a different actor, although I think I'm an amazing actor. I'm looking for some feedback to make this better or if it's useful at all. Now, the way someone would come across this video is they could scan a QR code outside the home. We could also put a text message number and also a URL if they're not familiar with QR codes. So, welcome to BoxHouse, Monahans, Texas. Since BoxHouse is unique and unlike anything you've probably ever lived in before, we wanted to give you a brief tutorial on some unique features so that you understand how to use your BoxHouse efficiently and you can enjoy it and not get irritated by not knowing how to use some of these unique features. So, please, welcome, come on in. To unlock your BoxHouse, simply turn your key all the way to the left until it can't turn anymore, and then turn it clockwise a little bit to the right and you can pull the key out. To open the door, it's as simple as pushing down on the handle. Pro tip, when opening the door, be mindful to hold the door so that the wind doesn't catch it and blow it open. Now, to close the door from the outside, push the door in and lift on the handle to engage the locking mechanism. And you'll see here there is a sliding locking mechanism that only engages when you lift up on the handle. So again, push the door in, turn up the handle, and you've secured the door. To lock your BoxHouse from the outside, turn your key to the right or clockwise after you've lifted up on the handle. Note, if you do not lift up on the handle to engage the locking mechanism, you won't be able to lock your door. So if your door doesn't lock, it's an indication you probably did not lift up on the handle. Now, once inside, close the door and again engage the locking mechanism by pushing up on the handle. You also have a convenient additional security deadbolt. If you decide to use our amazing convenient washer, please do not wash fire retardant uniforms. It will damage the machine. To raise the blinds, simply lift up from the bottom of the blinds in the center of the blinds. Boom. Most windows have been sealed for your convenience to keep out dust and dirt. However, the kitchen window opens. It is also a fire escape, and the bedroom window opens, and it is also a fire escape. If you decide to use the shower, the drain is a little quirky. All you have to do is step on the drain, it will pop up, step on it again, and it will close. If you decide to use our amazing sink, same thing, the drain is a little quirky. If you can't figure it out, push in on the drain with a finger, and you can open and close the drain. If your coffee maker doesn't seem to work, check and make sure that you reset the breaker. To turn on the gas burners, push in till you hear the clicking sound, and while holding it in, turn to the right and you should have no problem. To turn on the light in the living room, there's a step button hidden on the side of the couch. Step on it to turn it on, step on it to turn it off. The air conditioner has a bright LED that's useful during the day but can be annoying at night. You can turn this bright LED off so that you can sleep better by using the nifty remote control for the air conditioner and just simply press the LED button to turn it on and to turn it off. There's a convenient air conditioner remote control holder over by the door above the light switch to the living room. In the bed area, we have a convenient touch lamp. Simply touch the lamp to turn it on, touch it again to increase the brightness, and again to increase the brightness, and again to turn it off. Also for your convenience, we have this amazing swivel TV. Check this out. You can watch TV from your bed, which you shouldn't do to have good sleep, but you're probably going to do it anyway. And you can also watch it from the couch. Boom. And if the smoke alarm goes off and there's no smoke, but you just took a shower, keep in mind this smoke alarm can be triggered by high amounts of steam from the shower. And then finally, if you see this guy walking around, yes, he is amazing. And yes, he is single and available. Now, again, this is just a prototype. It's an idea. I think it might be useful. I understand that we're going to have different box houses with different features, but having some instructional tutorial, whether it's written or audio video for people with maybe just the most common features, might be useful to avoid some frustration. And again, I'm open to feedback. I'm also open to you saying this is not a good idea.